This is 5 on your side at 6, focused on you.
Scenes like this, all too familiar. Dangerous drivers making St. Louis streets a death trap. The city's new multi-million-dollar plan to curb crashes. Thank you for being with us. I'm Ann Allred. Mike Bush is on assignment. Just hours ago, St. Louis Mayor Tashara Jones unveiled her Safer Streets plan. Political editor Mark Maxwell was there, and he reports live from downtown tonight. Mark.
And Mayor Jones grieved the loss of young lives in violent wrecks today and vowed her plan will transform a suffering city into a safer one. And when it came to traffic deaths, she highlighted the 3 E's: education, engineering, and enforcement.
We need to do more to hold reckless drivers accountable.
Mayor Tashara Jones pleaded with adults to set an example when they get behind the wheel, calling for calmer streets in a city rampant with red light violations.
How can we teach our teenagers how to drive in a city where the rules of the road feel more like suggestions?
Jones paid respects to the families of 14 victims who died in a fatal crash near South Grand and Forest Park Avenue, and to the family of Janae Edmondson, the Tennessee teen who lost her legs when a driver ignored the rules of the road.
They're tragic reminders to all St. Louis drivers. Slow down, obey the rules of the road, or it may cost you your life.
City leaders fear wide roads bring out the worst in us, inviting reckless maneuvers and dangerous behavior behind the wheel. They hope smart engineering can nudge the subconscious of drivers towards safer decisions. Consultants have studied St. Louis streets for years. Soon, the Safer Streets bill will spend $12 million for experts to draw up blueprints, and next year spend $34 million breaking ground and starting to pour concrete in roads, curbs, and sidewalks. In the meantime, Jones called on Governor Parson to send more help from the Missouri Highway Patrol.
4 highways go through the city, and not having any enforcement from State Patrol makes us all less safe.
As Jones ramps up calls for tougher enforcement, we asked her to respond to Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner's recent claims that she still has broad political support across the city. If her election was held today, could you vote for her?
Well, that's a tough question. Well, her election's not today, and what we're doing in the interim is trying to make sure that we're pulling all of the pieces together and pulling all of the people that are involved in our criminal justice system to the table. I think everyone can agree that our criminal justice system needs improvement and is broken.
And another potential enforcement solution on the horizon, Mayor Jones and President Megan Green both endorsing the return of red light cameras to St. Louis. You'll recall the Missouri Supreme Court struck that down several years ago, about 8 years back. The plan hasn't cleared City Hall and might face legal scrutiny even if they do bring that back, but they have to do something. Today, traffic deaths are more than double what they were back in 2014. Reporting live downtown, Mark Maxwell, 5 on your side.